As an English teacher in Iran, you experience many amazing and sometimes shocking stuff in your class. Well, you know, in Farsi there are different accents and people consider them to be sweet. Well, it's not really sweet when students take those accents and bring them along with them into English. Well, I had this class of 7 students and it was the first session, so we were going to do some introduction. And I wanted to start with the first student, so I said, could you please introduce yourself? He looked a bit tired. I really didn't know why, but as soon as he started speaking, I found out why. Hello, Kaku. My name is Gostas. I know it's too long to pronounce Gostas. You can call me Goshi. Easy, short. Excuse me, teacher. My energy is finished. Can I rest, please? Then I said, okay, so just you can rest. Absolutely, no problem. Next student. Hello, my name is Bayram, and I'm here to speak çok good English. And I said, yeah, of course you will speak very good English. Sure. Next, please. Hello, my name is Mustafa, and I'm here to speak English very well. Teacher, do you think my English will become any better? I said, yes, of course your English is going to be better. The kind of accent he had was not really nice, but I tried to be positive. So I told students, look, Mustafa had a really good intonation for yes, no questions. When he said, teacher, do you think my English will become any better? Of course, it was a little bit exaggerated, but it was telling the students that he had a rising intonation. That was really good. Okay, cool. Next, please. Hello. I want to thank you for the opportunity you gave me to talk. My name is Atobak, and I want to study English again. I very much like the atmosphere in the class, and I think you're an interesting teacher. Well, the kind of accent Atabak had reminded me of a freezing winter morning when you sit in your car and you turn on the ignition. So the car would go like, my name is Atabak. I want to thank you for the opportunity you gave me to. But again, I try to be nice. I try to see the good sides. So I told the students that, look, Atabak is very good at some commonly mispronounced words. I mean, he pronounces them correctly. Words like atmosphere, words like interesting, that's very good. But maybe not opportunity, okay? So it's because it's opportunity, not opportunity, Okay, so next student, please. Hello, my name is Nagi. I work in a cafe. I'm not married, but I have a fiancé. I have one question, mister. What book are we going to study? I said the book is called How to Better My Accent. For goodness sake. I was thinking like if I could mix Nagi with Atabak in a blender, probably I could get something normal out of him. Nagi is like, he goes more with stress on the last syllable. Atabak is on the first syllable, so who knows. All right, and I wanted to say, I want to tell the next student to introduce themselves, but I realized something different about them. He was not sitting on his chair. So I said, next, you. My name is Javad. I have 2 brothers, Yasser and Mehmet. I said, okay, why aren't you sitting on your chair? Come on, sit on your chair, it's more comfortable. نه okay همینجی okay, comfortable Comfortable. I said, Javad, that's comfortable. Okay? Repeat after me. Comfortable, not comfortable. That's wrong, absolutely. But I realized it would take us a century at least to correct him. So I wanted to move to the next guy, the last person on my list, but the seventh student wasn't there, and I checked the name was Heshmat. So suddenly there was a knock on the door, and a lady came in, a kind of fashionable lady, those kinds of ladies that turn heads. So definitely she attracted the attention of all other students. So, and I thought, because the name was here was Heshmat, so I thought she might be in the wrong class. So I said, I think you're in the wrong class because the only student I have absent is named Heshmat. But she said, no, teacher, no. My ID name is Heshmat, but people call me Pune. Then I said, fine, okay, sit down. I said, well, so now that we know each other's names, let's know a little bit more about each other. So why are you studying English? Each one of you should answer this question. Why are you studying English? So again, first, it's Goshta's turn. Goshtas, are you fine? Do you have enough energy to start? Okay, good, go. I am a tour leader. I must speak English with tourists. My dream is to translate the entire book Haydar Baba into English. I want to continue my education abroad. I have watched a lot of movies with English subtitles. Now I want to make my own English subtitles for English movies I watch. My relatives wanted to learn English. They did a research and they realized that English classes are very expensive. So they paid me, each of them paid me a little money. So I come learn English and I go back and teach them. Better. I want to become a Hollywood actor. Teacher, I really don't know how they do that. It's just one vowel, it's one letter, but they make it last for seconds. Teacher, I have met a man online from Trinidad and Tobago. Teacher, and he has promised to marry me. See, teacher, husband problem. And in Trinidad and Tobago, they speak English. So I must learn English. So I told Pune, look, Pune, and this is a very common mistake among all Iranian English learners, that they use the word teacher to address the teacher in class, which is something wrong because, well, some jobs can be used as titles like professor, president, but definitely not teacher. And not only students say that, but they also have different teachers. Like there's one teacher when they have something to complain about. They go like, teacher. Or there's this another teacher when they have a question to ask. They go like, teacher. Or there's this another one when they are in shock or disbelief. They go like, teacher. And there's this another teacher, they say, when they want you to fall in love with them. They go like, teacher. Or there's this another kind of teacher when they have some shocking news to tell you. They come to you and they say like, teacher. So I told Pune, that's wrong to call someone teacher. Please do not do that. And if you could work a little more on your accent. Thank you.